welcome to our new YouTube channel. I miss your face. I miss you. All right, I really do miss you guys. Hope you and your family are doing well. Hope you're finding things to do, maybe learning some new skills. I started learning the ukulele. You might see some songs a little bit later on a future video. I gotta work on it a little bit more first. I've worked on some video editing skills. My daughter and I started a YouTube channel. That was really fun. So anyways, I hope you're finding some fun things to do. And of course, this week you've got some schoolwork that started. So let's get to it. Each week when this video is posted, there'll be a couple different segments. The first one is called Announcements. All right, your first announcement is super important, and that is that the quarter ends this Friday, April 3rd. That's just in a few days. And the reason that that is important is it is the last day to get any work turned in. So quarter 3 grades will be finalized. So I know we didn't get to quite finish it, but they are gonna finalize those grades. And you have time to finish any missing projects. Okay, there's a handful of you that are getting C's and B's, and there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to get an A. So please turn in any missing assignments. If you're not sure how to do that or which assignments are missing, email me. My office hours are 9 to 10 every day, which means you'll get an answer back like immediately. But of course, I'm checking my email throughout the day, doing work throughout the day. So you can email me anytime, but please, please, please get those projects turned in. Okay, let's get you a good, solid quarter 3 grade. All right, and that's it for announcements. I guess there's just one today. All right, announcements. All right, the next segment I like to call Shoutouts. So shoutouts are just an opportunity for me to say thank you or good job to somebody. So I would like to start with the students who took their typing test on Aloha Friday, or maybe they took it over the weekend. So thank you to Abby, McKenna, Heather, Skylar, Hamze, Wilson, Aliona, Bailey, Cohen, Kyla, Natalie, Bryant, Avery, Bree, Jabari, Michael, Andre, Jaden, Israel, Mia, and Ava. Thank you so much for taking your 1-minute typing test. I appreciate it, and I hope that you continue to do that each week. Okay, I'll put that assignment up each week. The other shout outs go to the students who answered the poll on class pages a week or two ago about posting projects. So thank you to V and Peyton, Abby, Wilson, Avery, Andre, Bryant, and Bree. So you answered the question about if you are interested in projects. But of course, that has been answered for us, so everyone's doing projects. And last shout out goes to Jabari. Thank you for turning in some of your missing work. It's awesome. I'll get those graded today or tomorrow. And please, I'm waiting for a few other of you to turn in your missing projects. So please do so. All right, that's it for shout outs for today. Alrighty, now it's time for your weekly work. All right, this week you have 3 tasks. The first task is to check PowerSchool and see if you have any missing assignments. If you do have something that's missing, do it and then turn it into me. The source files for all of our Excel projects are in 2 places. They're on Google Classroom and PowerSchool class pages. So you have everything you need to do those old assignments. So task number 1, see if there's anything that's missing. And if there is, work on it and turn it in. Number two, you're going to do a PowerPoint project out of our PowerPoint textbook. Okay, so in order to do that, I am going to ask you to go into your OneDrive. Okay, OneDrive is like Microsoft's version of Google Drive, but for Microsoft stuff. So I'm going to insert a quick little video on how to get to there and also how to create a new folder for our projects right now. All right, first open up Rapid Identity and then find the tile for Office 365. It will open a new tab and show you all the different tiles for the Microsoft products. First time, would you please go to your OneDrive, and we're going to create a new folder. So when the page loads, click on New at the top, choose Folder, and please call it PowerPoint Projects, and click Create. Give the computer a moment to load, and scroll down to find your PowerPoint Projects folder. Click on it. And this first time, obviously there's nothing in there, but this is a really easy place to start a new PowerPoint. So click New in the top and choose PowerPoint Presentation. And by starting it here, it'll automatically save it here. Hopefully that video was helpful and showing you how to get to your OneDrive and create a folder for your PowerPoint projects. And now that you've got that folder, you're going to do, this is task number 2 still, you are going to do project 1.4 from our PowerPoint text. Okay, how to write an informational speech. And it starts on page 13. Okay, so I will post these to the materials section of Google Classroom, and please let me know if you have any questions. And then one really important thing at the end, when your PowerPoint is complete, you cannot turn it in as a PowerPoint on Google Classroom. So it's going to be important that you change the view to slide sorter view. And what that does is it will show you all of your slides on the screen. And then you're going to take a screenshot on your Chromebook and turn in that screenshot. Maybe I should put in a video that explains that too. All right, I'm going to put a video in to explain how to take a screenshot of all of your slides right now. All right, when it's time to save and turn in your PowerPoint, I'd like you to do the following steps. Make sure in the top center that you have the file saved with the correct name, according to the directions in the book. And then once you have it saved, I'd like you to go down to the bottom right corner and change the view. Right now it's in regular editing view. I want you to click on Slide Sorter View. In Slide Sorter View, you can see all of your slides on the screen at once. Okay? And then on your Chromebooks, I'd like you to use the shortcut to take a screen clipping, which is the Control key and this little key on the top of your keyboard. So you take a screen clipping of your PowerPoint slides and save it as a picture on your Chromebook, and then turn it in on Google Classroom. Thank you. Okay, hopefully that helps. I know this is a little bit lengthy, but it's because it's the first one. So task number 1, look for missing assignments. Task number 2, do a PowerPoint project. And task number 3 is to complete a Kahoot. So you'll notice we skipped right to 1.4 on our textbook. So I'm going to turn lessons 1.1 to 1.3 into a Kahoot. So it's a Kahoot everyone can do at their own time, at their own pace, but I'll still get the scores like we do in class. And I'd like you to treat it kind of like a scavenger hunt. So a way to kind of get used to using PowerPoint on our Chromebooks, because it is a little bit different. It doesn't have all the features that our classroom computers had. So Kahoot is your 3rd task. All right, so just to wrap it up, number 1, complete any missing assignments. Number 2, PowerPoint lesson 1.4. And number 3, your PowerPoint Kahoot. Alrighty, so that's your work for the week. Please email me if you have any questions, and I will see you next Tuesday. All right, thanks for watching.